This carburetor repair kit fits a wide range of Mercury outboards from 6 to 25 horsepower, including 6, 8, 9.9, 15, 18, 20, and 25 HP models. It matches OEM numbers 1395-97611 and 97611 and cross-references with SAW 18-7212, GLM 40610, Mallory 9-37304, and Mercury 1395-976-1/975-9645/9645. Designed to restore proper fuel delivery and improve engine performance, this kit includes essential seals and components for effective carburetor service and reliable operation on the water. ICE Marine, based in Taiwan, specializes in premium aftermarket marine products you can trust. Learn more at iceboatparts.com, email seller at icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +8869664 68632.